Hello, today we will guide you through how to add discount code in Gumroad. To get started, open Gumroad and go to your dashboard. This is the main area where you manage your products, sales, and checkout settings. If you are not already signed in, make sure you log into your account first so you can access the dashboard and make changes. Once you are on the dashboard, look to the left-hand navigation menu and click on Checkout. This section contains settings related to how customers complete purchases, including discount options. If you do not immediately see the exact area you need, take a moment to scan the menu carefully, since Gumroad layouts can sometimes feel a little busy at first. After opening the Checkout section, go to the Discounts page and look toward the top right corner of the screen. There, click on New Discount. This will open the form where you can create a new discount code for one or more products. Starting from this button is important because it ensures you are creating a brand new code rather than editing an existing one. Next, enter a name for the discount. This name is mainly for your own reference, so choose something simple and easy to recognize later. For example, you might use a label that helps you remember the purpose of the promotion, such as a seasonal sale or a special campaign. Keeping the name organized can make it much easier to manage multiple discounts over time. After that, enter the discount code itself. This is the code customers will type in during checkout to receive the offer. Make sure it is clear, easy to read, and not overly complicated. A short and memorable code is usually best, especially if you plan to share it in emails, social posts, or other promotions. Then, select the product or products that the discount should apply to. This step is important because it controls exactly where the code will work. Take a moment to confirm you are choosing the correct item or items, especially if you have several products in your Gumroad account. Applying the code to the right products helps avoid confusion for both you and your customers. Once everything is filled out and selected, go to the top right corner again and click Create Discount. This saves the new discount code and makes it available for use according to the settings you just entered. And that's it. Your discount code has now been added in Gumroad. Before sharing it widely, it can be helpful to quickly review the details on the discounts page to make sure the name, code, and product selection all look correct. This helps prevent mistakes and ensures your promotion is ready to go.